Got some heavy thunderstorms coming my way, extremely ones. Extreme heavy thunderstorms from Indiana. And there's some lightning right now. Oh, that was a good one. I caught that right on camera. I'm hearing some thunder. So I'm gonna check how close these storms are in a little bit. I'll be prepared and stuff. Yep, there's the thunder. I can hear it now. Alrighty. Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, that was a really great one. So yeah. Did you hear that supposed to the person in the background? That's my sister. She's playing with my nephew. Oh, I could see the supercell in the cloud. That's pretty beautiful looking. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be a very great storm. I also knew it too. I knew it was gonna come eventually. So yeah. Oh yeah, I can hear the thunder. I don't know how close the storm is, but I can hear the thunder. Oh yeah. Hope you guys like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm trying to get to what's it called? I'm trying to get to 200, 300 subscribers. It ends August 20th, and on July 20, no, not July, I mean, June 28th, I'm gonna post a documentary. And see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. God bless you.